Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohanur Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make 8-pin relay with Flowmeter wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. RCCB circuit breaker, DPMCB, Flowmeter, relay, water motor. Phase connection to RCCB circuit breaker, neutral connection to RCCB circuit breaker, output connection from RCCB to connect DPMCB, neutral connection output from DPMCB to connect relay, phase connection output from DPMCB to connect relay, connection in relay, output connection from relay to flow meter, output neutral connection to flow meter, output power connection from relay to motor. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.